Friction is a force to be reckoned with. On the road, in the air, and on water, vehicles fight friction to get going. They already face an uphill battle. Objects at rest tend to stay that way. That's inertia. Perhaps we can all relate. Engines give vehicles the jump start they need, but friction fights back. Friction is the force that slows down the movement of one surface over another. The road slows the wheel, the water slows the boat, the track slows the train, and air slows them all. Even inside the engine, friction makes it tough. A car uses about 20% of its engine power just to overcome friction in the moving parts. The hovercraft makes short work of friction on land and water. While a back engine thrusts this hovercraft forward, a front engine pushes a cushion of air down into the rubber skirt it rides on. Less resistance or friction than from the bottom of a boat. The hovercraft can even conquer snow and ice at speeds up to 70 miles per hour. Air might offer less friction than land or water, but it can be a real drag if you're a race car driver. Drag happens when air slows the motion of an object. A car with too much drag uses too much fuel and works too hard to accelerate. Drag race cars slice through the air to get going fast. On the other hand, air's friction is harnessed to keep cars on the ground. Tasman race car designers use something called downforce to stabilize them. Like airplanes, these Tasman cars have wings, but they're positioned in front and at the back. This keeps light, aerodynamic race cars in contact with the track at high speeds, even upside down. Air can create disastrous amounts of friction for vehicles at high speeds. When the space shuttle re-enters Earth's atmosphere, friction between air and the hurtling spacecraft would cause it to burn up if it wasn't protected. The space shuttle's specially made aluminum tiles protect it from temperatures as high as 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. In the future, new forms of transportation will still have friction to contend with. But as engineers find new ways to defy it, it becomes easier for vehicles to slice through the air, walk on water, and defy land, even carry us beyond our atmosphere.